This is one of the most incredible AI tool in the market right now.
Really?
Check this out. Okay, hold on. Now see, I'm rigged as a CGI character. No motion capture, no CGI animation, nothing. Just a few clicks by using this web app, WonderStudio by Animates. It's so easy with people like us who has very less 3D experience, and on top of that, no motion capture experience. We can do this in just few minutes. Here how it works. You drag that video which you have shot into the web editor, just like this. You choose your actors and then assign which 3D model that you want to apply this with. And that's it. And you have this video ready to go. WonderStudio automatically animates the light and composes a CG character into the live action scene. This changes the game, and AI is catching up as fast to change the whole game, at least in filmmaking and content creation. Keep watching and follow for more updates on such tools.